I'm Professor Rakhi Datta from ODM Business School, and I shall tell you about the brilliant job opportunities a management career can provide. It is the surest and also the shortest way to a flourishing career. E-commerce is, increasing, it's rising. Digital marketing is booming. One can also get into logistics and procurement. At ODM Business School, we plan to give you training in all upcoming areas. This updated knowledge, coupled with grooming, personality development, and your improvement in communication will go a long way in giving you that edge to enter the industry. We also have provision for upgrad certification, which is in high demand right now. Industry requires smart all-rounders who can rise up to all sorts of challenges. At OBS, we prepare you exactly for that.